Hi, this is Dwight from My Haunted Fowler, and I really like the motion-activated music boxes I've seen in use, but I'm not a big fan of the price tag. So, because I'm a little more frugal, I went ahead and I'm trying something. I went ahead and made a purchase from Home Depot, and it's a motion-activated power source. So let me just open this up real quick. Let's see. Come on there, trusted knife. There we go. That's the top. We'll just set this here. So we've got instructions, the actual power itself, power cord and device. This little cradle for the motion sensor. See on the back, you can set the time. There is 4 seconds, 1 minute, 2 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, and 20 minutes. I've never used this before, so we're going to go with 20 minutes. And we'll just use that. That way, if I'm on an investigation and it goes off and I'm not near it, it'll continue to run for a while. My first test, though, I'm going to take a camera. I've got a camera that I use. I'm pointing over there, like you can see it, but a camera that I use on a regular basis. And we'll test it out and see if we get any kind of activity, and then see if we can record what that activity was on the camera. So this just plugs into the wall outlet. Now this does require that you actually have access to power. I probably should have read the instructions, but it seems like it's doing some sort of check. So we're just going to put this here with a little stand. I just have a weather radio I've had for a while. And I actually already turned it on. Tested it before to make sure, see how this would work. So we'll plug it in. Here's another true test, I guess. We will unplug this. So it does get power. I have confirmed that. So let's go to 4 seconds instead. That way it'll shut off in a timely manner so you can actually see it work. So power is going to it. It is now powered off. It's motion. There we go. So the idea would be that it would run until we are able to get to it, and then check. Yeah, I know, you saw me moving. We're going to plug that. Anyway, so that's the idea. It is a little more cumbersome than having the music box, which also I think runs off battery. So again, have to have access to electrical, which I do at the Fowler Theater and the Old Benton County Jail. May want to invest into a portable power supply, so for places I might go that don't have power, I can use this in the same way. I will look and see actually if I can somehow either downsize this through use of tape or Velcro or tie straps, maybe something even smaller as in regard to the radio itself. But I've now created my own at-home DIY motion-activated. I won't call it a music box because obviously you didn't hear any music coming out of that, but it would function in the same way as a motion-activated music box. So I'll share what I get, and thank you for joining me. And I'll keep thinking of other MacGyver-type kinds of scenarios for different investigation techniques and see how we can employ them and share with you all on My Haunted Fowler. Thank you.